Hey guys, welcome back. Sam Acevedo here. Standing in my garage in front of the 335. Hood is propped up because there's some maintenance to be done. Today, super cold out. Garage is a little chilly. I got my coffee. I don't know how long this is going to stay warm, but gotta have it. I may have to go inside for a couple refills. So what we're going to do today is I bought a bunch of spark plugs, or the spark plugs and basically everything for the maintenance. I'm not going to do a how-to video because there's so many out there, but what I will do is just take you through the process. Removing whatever needs to be removed, the cover, installing the plugs. So it should be a fairly straightforward process. Should be quick, I'm hoping, right? Because I do have to pick up my son in a few hours, so I don't want to be without a car. Because if not, then I'll have to pick him up using the S2000. And I'm sure he'll like that, but you know, small little 7-year-old in an S2000, not the safest thing, especially if there's snow up. Okay, so before we get started, let me just show you what I got. So I ordered these from FCP Euro. Figured I'd take advantage of that lifetime warranty. Let's see how that works out for me. I got the plugs, so I went with the Bosch here. See, so these are the Bosch, and you know what I'll do is I'll just put the link to the plugs in the description. And then I went with the Delphi Ignition Coils. And then, because just in case, I went ahead and ordered the thin wall 14 mil by 12 spark plug socket, also on the site. And I'll put the description, or I'll put links to all three things in the description below. Guys, if you haven't done already, click on subscribe. If you enjoy the video, hit that like. Comment below. You know, it'll really help me out, push these videos out into the YouTube world, you know, however that works. Check me out on Instagram, Sam Ace Garage. I post a lot of the pictures that we work on, you know, all the cars, the events that we go to, so on and so on. So you'll see a lot of behind the scenes there as well. And then I may start a Discord channel, depending on how many people are interested, just to talk about BMWs. I know that there's a bunch out there, but, you know, why not? So let's get started.
Let's go. Yeah, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Okay, now that I have most of this stuff out of the way, I'm gonna start from here.
I take shots to the top, I'll get it. I got one life, I'ma do all to win it. I do what's right, push until I fall, I'm slipping. To give back up, always stand tall, I'm grinning. I got cuts real deep, big bruises scarred. I had to learn how to think with my head and my heart. I've been chewed up, spit out, torn apart. But picking up all the pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Alright, now that the spark plugs are in, I'm gonna torque them to 17 foot-pounds. Now to put the new coils in.
go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket.
That does it for all the plugs and ignition. I'm gonna put everything back, and we're good.
I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Okay, and there you have it, all done. All the spark plugs are in place, all the ignition coils are in place. I had an issue with the first one up front. Man, it was stuck. After trying a couple of things, what I ended up doing was I called my brother up, and he hit me up with some knowledge, right? So I actually ended up using a little bit of PB Blaster. There it is, right? Let it soak for a little bit, and then with the torque wrench or with something with leverage, I got it loose. So it snapped off, no pieces broken. I was able to take it out and replace it. So all good to go. All the pieces are back on. The valve cover, I don't remember it being so, loosey-goosey, but we'll see what happens. If I hear it rattling while I'm driving, then I'll go in and readjust it. But for now, that'll do it for this video. I'm gonna take it out for a spin. Actually, I have to go pick up my kid. But stay tuned for some more videos on this channel. Now that I have the plugs in, I did notice that I need to change the intake filter. It's dirty. And then after that, we'll start with the intercooler, charge pipe. I have the VRSF downpipe coming and some suspension coming for this car. So a lot of content coming. Can't wait to do it. All right, guys, please, if you do me a favor, give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe and throw some comments down below. All right, guys, I'll check you on the next one.